Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install the AOL application. So first what you need to do is tap on the Google Play Store. Then on the search bar you type in AOL and tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. Now you just need to tap on install and wait for the application to be fully installed. AOL is an American web portal and online service provider. AOL is a global digital media and technology company representing the best of all worlds. It provides you the breaking news, important emails, weather updates to help you stay informed and connected. And with that you have successfully installed the AOL application. Now you just need to tap on open and the application will start working. So this is how you can download the AOL application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.